Hello again and welcome to the Ultimate AdSense method. In this short video I will try to prove my AdSense earning. As I have shown you in the last video, I have earned more than $500 in just the first month of using the method, using only one website. As you can see, I'm using the filter websites, so I can show you the analytics of one simple website, as you can see right here. But before doing anything, I will just refresh the page so you can make sure that my earnings are legit. Let's wait. Voila. So as you can see right here, on the 1st July I was setting up the website. My earning was 0. On the 2nd July the earning was $2. But in the 3rd July, when I started the method, as you can see right here, my earning is more than $175 in just one day. In the 1st July, it went to $381 in just one day. And it kept going like that for the whole month and earned me more than $500. The method is still working till today. As you can see, this month, February, okay, I have earned more than $1,600, and we are just in the half of the month, okay. I still have like 30 days. So that's my earning on AdSense using only one website. I will be showing you exactly what is my website about. I will show you exactly how I'm using only free traffic to earn that much of money on AdSense. You don't need any knowledge on website development. You don't need anything, okay? You will be getting the website files, you will be getting the database. All you need to know is how to focus on the free traffic, okay? The method is so simple, it's so easy, but you need to be passionate about it. I will be revealing my website in the next video. See you next. Hello and welcome back, guys. It's time to reveal my website and explain how the AdSense method works. Okay, the website is 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐴. This is the website that had earned me more than $13,000 in just 6 months. Let's check the website. This is the website. As you can see, it's only one page website and it has 2 ads and 1 content. If we click this button, we will get a new page with new ads. So how can a website so simple earn me that much of money and drive me this amount of traffic, which is more than 5 million people? To get a better understanding, let's view the page source. As you can see right here on the header, I'm using the Open Graph tags, okay, that will help me to take control of how my website will appear on Facebook. By doing that, let's check the guideline from Facebook. This is the Open Graph title, okay, and this is the Open Graph image, as you can see right here. If we can take control of those meta tags, okay, we will be able to develop a new game. I call it the Facebook comment games. So the idea was about changing the image with every refresh. Okay, let me show you right here. If I refresh the page, you will see that this image is changing. Okay, As you can see, it's changing right here. So with every refresh, we will get a new image, and with that we will be developing a new game that people will be sharing on Facebook, and that will drive us a lot of traffic and earn us a lot of money. This is the kind of games, okay? This is an example. As you can see, I have made this image on Photoshop. It said, did you know if you comment www.𝐾.MA, you will see your future baby? Which means with every comment we will get a new baby image. This is an example. As you can see, people here are commenting, okay? And with every comment they are getting new image, because we have in the website a PHP file that is changing the image with every refresh. Don't worry, you will be getting all that in the next videos, okay? I will be explaining you how you can set that up too. So doing that wasn't that hard, okay? It needs just some modification on PHP. But the problem was this from Facebook. It said Facebook needs to scrap links shared to Facebook on no wish of the link preview information to show facebook.com. This happens every 30 days, okay? So even that the images are changing in our end, Facebook have some caches, so the image won't be changing till next month, okay? And this was the biggest problem. But finally we discovered how we can do that, how we can make Facebook scrap and clear their caches, so they can give a new image with every comment or every share. For example, if we comment like that, let's check. As you can see, I'm getting a new image. Let's comment again. And we are getting a new image. So with every comment or every share, we get a new image. So we don't have to wait the 30 days that Facebook mentioned in their documentation. Don't worry, again, I will be giving you all the necessary files so you can do that too. This is how I made this much of money. It sounds easy, and it is easy to set up, it is easy to play. You can use any type of games. You can ask people to comment and see their future wives or their future husbands. You can ask them when they are going to be rich, or when they are going to get married or something. So there are plenty of niches that you can use. The idea is simple, okay? It's working, it's still working, but it needs some hard work to set up, okay? And that's why I'm here. So let's go to the next videos and I will explain you how you can start setting up your website. See you next. Hello and welcome back, guys. As I have shown you in the previous video, this is the website that earned me more than $13,000 in just 6 months and still earning me money till today. Just for example, yesterday I have earned more than $100, as you can see right here, and today I'm already at $46. So the method is still working. You can earn a lot of money with this simple idea, okay? This is the easiest way you can earn money with Google Adsense. So to start, you need first to pick a niche. In this video, I will explain how you can pick a niche and what you should know before deciding which idea you need to have for your Facebook game. You can just invent any game, but if you have none and you want some inspiration, you can use quizzes from BuzzFeed. If you go to this website, you will see a lot of questions. Just scroll down, okay, to find a question, okay, to get some inspiration. For example, this one, which is trending: when will you get married? This is a good question, this is a good game, and we may consider using this one. But first, you need to decide what type of website you will have. Do you want to go specific, or general? Being specific means that your website will answer only one question. Okay? For example, if we are too specific, we may have something like which Game of Thrones character you look like. This is a specific niche, okay? This is a specific game. You can only use one picture and you only have a specific audience. If you want to go too general, we may ask something like when will you do this? Okay? If you ask when will you do this, we may have a photo of a couple, which means getting married, or we may have a photo for someone who is rich, okay? And people will think the question is when will you get rich, or something like that, and you will answer it. This is when. The answer is always the title. As you can see here, the question was comment 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐴 and to see your future baby, and the answer, this is your future baby. This is the answer. The answer is always the Open Graph title, which is shown right here. So if you are too general, your title should be something like this is when, and that's all. So for now, go and pick a niche. Try to go general. If you want to get a lot of traffic, try to go general. Don't go too specific, so your website can have more exposure. Okay, and that's all for this video. See you next. Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy a domain name for your Facebook game, okay? As I have said in the previous video, we need to pick a niche for our website. If you already done that, then it's time to select and buy a domain name for our game. I have chosen the when niche, okay? When. So I will be buying a domain name for this niche. I will go with the .fun extension because it means something fun, okay? And second, it's cheap. It's only $1. So this is a good option for people with low budget. And also, if you are planning to create mini games, this is a good extension and a cheaper one. Instead of buying .com, which is $10. Okay, you can buy like 10 domain names with the same money and create 10 games, which means you will be having 10 websites. So first thing, we go to Namecheap. I'm using Namecheap for domain names because it's cheaper, and also we will be buying the hosting right here. Okay, they are offering a cheap hosting. That's why I'm using Namecheap for both the hosting and the registrar, okay, and for the domain names. Let's, for example, see the domain name will be cwin.fun, for example, and let's hit the search button. I hope it will be available. Yeah, and yes, it's available. Okay. but it cost like $2. I don't know why they changed their prices, but it's still cheap. So say when, okay. After that we click view cart. Namecheap are offering free 𝐼𝙪𝙩𝙠𝙤, which means your information will be private for free for the whole year, and that's a good thing. Then click confirm order. Then we need to register an account, okay, to create a new account. Say when, for example, username, the password, something like this, okay. First name Younes, or let me change it, Younes, and I will be using this Gmail account they have, okay. This is your Gmail account right here, and hit create account and continue, okay. You will have to enter your address. I will use my address right here. Also, you need to put your phone number. Then click continue. Again, click continue. For the payment method, you may use your credit card, but I recommend using PayPal because they protect buyers, okay. In case of some problems, you can ask for your money back. It's harder to do that when you are paying with your card directly. So yeah, I recommend using PayPal to do your online payments. Then we click continue. And check out with PayPal. Okay. English. Now we hit login. Okay. Login into our PayPal account. And we click continue. And we are done. Okay, now we will wait until Namecheap finish the transaction. We go back to our dashboard. Okay. And we have our domain name right here. Now you need to edit your domain name. Okay, you need to edit the DNS of your domain name. We click on manage. And since we will be using Namecheap as a hosting tool, we will change this one to web hosting DNS, okay, the second choice. And we hit save. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video where I will be showing you how to buy a hosting with Namecheap. Hello and welcome back, guys. So after buying the domain name from Namecheap and also changing the name servers into Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, it's time to buy a hosting with Namecheap. So for that we go to Hosting, Shared Hosting. Then we choose this plan, okay? It's for about $10 per year, okay? And you are allowed to have 3 websites. So it's a good option, okay, for lower budget people. We click Add to Cart. Then, since we are using a domain name which is registered on Namecheap, we will use the third option, use a domain I own with Namecheap. Now we select our domain name and we click Continue. Then we click Confirm Order. We select PayPal once again, okay? As I have said before, it's better to pay with PayPal. Then we click Continue. Then you need to select this, you need to check it, okay? And click Checkout with PayPal. Click Continue. And we are done, okay? By the way, don't forget to click a link that you have received from Namecheap, okay? To verify your information, okay? You will see it right here, this one, and you need to click that link. So we are done right here, and we have our plan. We will be receiving an email from Namecheap, okay, that contain our CPanel Access. See you in the next video. Hello guys and welcome back. So after buying the hosting from Namecheap, you need to check your Gmail account or email account. You will see an email from Namecheap that contains all your CPanel information and your hosting information. So to access your CPanel, you need to click the link given on the email, this one. Then we need to copy our username and we need to copy our password. And we hit enter, and this is our CPanel dashboard. We have here our file manager, we have our PHP my admin, my SQL, and if you see right here the add-on domains, we have 2 domains that we can add, which means we are allowed to host 2 more Facebook games. If you are planning to create 2 more websites, you can just use the same hosting. You don't have to buy another hosting for other websites, okay? you are allowed to have 3 websites in the same plan. Okay, so that's our cPanel. After this video, you will have to download my website files and my website database, and yes, I'm giving you all that for free. It did took me like 1 month to develop such websites. It did took me a lot of hard work to come up with the idea, but I'm here giving it for you for free to save you time, so you can just pick your niche. Okay, you can just create your domain name and add your images and start earning. You don't need to know anything about web development. You don't need to know anything about website. Just host my exact same website and start earning. So yeah, go now and download all the files and all the necessary documentations. Okay, and see you in the next video. Hello and welcome back, guys. So now, after downloading my website files and database, you will find them like that. Okay, it's time to import them and upload them into our cPanel, okay, into our hosting. The first thing you need to do is to click on File Manager. Okay, then we need to go to Public HTML, then we click Upload, then I will upload the zip file. Now the upload is complete. Okay, we need to close this tab. Okay, and we click Reload. Okay, after that we need to click our zip file and hit the button Extract and click Extract Files, and we are done. You just need to delete the zip file. Okay, and that's all for this video. Hello back, guys. So now, after uploading our website files, we need to edit the necessary files. Okay, for that we go first to Application, Config. Okay, and we need to edit the config.php file. We right click on it and we hit Edit, then we click Edit once again. Then you will have this line. You need to edit it into your domain name. In my case, it's 𝐶𝐻.fun, and we click Save Changes. Then we need to edit the database. Okay, we click Edit and we hit Edit once again. I need to fill those informations. Okay, those 3 lines. So I need to create a database. For that, I need to go back into my cPanel, then click my SQL database. Then I need to create a database. Okay, right here. It's 𝐶𝐻. Okay, this will be our database. Then I need to create a username. Okay, 𝐶𝐻. It's preferred that they have the same name. Okay, so they will be similar. For the password, we will just use the password generator. I will generate a password. I will copy the password and check this and click Use the password. Then create the user. Then I will go back, and the last thing I need to do is to add the user to the database. I have my user here and I have my database here. they have the same name, okay, as I have said before. Then I will click add, and I need to give all the privileges for the user, okay, and make changes and click go back. I have already copied the password, so I will paste it right here, and I will copy my database right here, okay. I will copy my database right here, and my user, okay, right here, and click save changes, and we are done editing the config file. Now it's time to edit some more files. We need to go to privacy policy, and this time I will use the code edit option. Then click edit. Then I will simply use the Ctrl+F, so I will get the search, or I will use this one, okay, this search. I will look for the word yourdomain.com and change it with 𝐶WEN.fun, which is our domain name. Then click replace all. So we have like 19, okay, 19 changes. Now we need to edit more on the header, okay. As you can see, I have already have some modification, okay. I have already have a niche in mind, the country facts, but in my case I don't have that anymore. So I will use something like instead of country facts, since we are talking about when, which is time, I will say like history facts, okay, epic facts about history, something. And here in the keywords we will just delete the country and change country with history, okay, or something like that. That depends on your niche. I'm talking about when, which means time, so I'm using the keyword history. Here we have the Open Graph title. As I have said before in the last video, okay, it will be something like this is when, this is when, which is a general niche, okay. This is when, and I need to edit the Open Graph description too. It said here like this, click here for epic country facts. I will make it change country with history once again. And the set name, okay, the Open Graph set name, I will say the question, what's your name? I will use the question when, simply when will you? As I have said before, I'm using a general niche, okay, which I can use with every image and with every other idea, okay. When will you get married? When will you get rich? And so on. Then we click save changes. Now we need to edit the term of use too. I click code edit once again, and we click the search button and we search for yourdomain.com, okay, and change it to 𝐶WEN.fun and hit replace all. Okay, and we are done. As you can see, it changed already. Now we need to do the same modification we have done with the privacy policy. Here I will just type history, okay, epic facts about history. I will just copy it to save time, something like this. As I have said, it depends on your niche, okay. This is your original country. I will make it something like this is when. Epic history facts, and here the question will be when will you, and click save changes, and we are done with this file too. Now we need to go to the application again, okay. We need to go to views, template, and we need to edit the header. We use the code edit once again, and we hit edit. We need to look for your domain, yourdomain.com, and change it to 𝐶WEN.fun, which is our domain name, and click replace all, and click save changes. We need once again to edit our title and our header, okay. It's there history, okay, history facts. This is your original country. It says this is when. Here epic history facts, and here we will have the question when will you, and that's all. Now we are done with the header, okay, PHP file. We need to edit the footer. You can use the code edit, okay. You have here your domain.com. You will type your domain, okay. It's 𝐶WEN.fun, and here too 𝐶WEN.fun, okay, and we click save changes. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Welcome back, guys. So now that you have edited some of the necessary files, it's time to import our database. We need to go back to our cPanel, okay, and you need to click PHP My Admin. After that, we need to import our database, okay. First thing, you need to click the database. It's on the left side, okay. You need to click it, then click import, then you click choose file, and go to your folder, okay, where you have downloaded the database, and check it, okay. Then click open. After that, you need to click go, and we are done. Now we have imported our database, and we can continue setting up our website. See you on the next video. Hello and welcome back, guys. Before we continue setting up our website, I need to talk with you about two necessary tools that you need to have on your computer, okay? The first tool is Mass Image Compressor. This tool helps you to compress your images so they will have allow size, okay? Having allow size images help help your website to load faster, okay? And also in case you are getting a lot of traffic, this helps to avoid getting your server shut down, okay? This is a necessary tool that you need to have in your computer, okay? And also image resizer for Windows. This tool help you to resize image in bulk, okay? You can just select your images and click resize and choose the right size, okay? The right resolution for your images. Because we are using this game, okay? We are using these new concepts with Facebook, and Facebook requires you to have this exact same resolution for your images that you need to share with your links, okay? So you need to resize your images before importing them into your website. I will explain this later. I'm just talking about those tools that you need to have on your computer. I will give you the links after this video, so you need to download them and install them in your computer because we will need them in our course. See you on the next video. Hello and welcome back, guys. So now it's time to edit our dashboard, okay? For that we need to type our domain name, okay? cwin.fan/dashboard, okay? And hit enter. You need to type your domain name /dashboard. The password is 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐭, okay? And the username is 𝐂𝐫𝐚 and the password is 𝐂𝐫𝐴LT 2017, okay? And we are on the dashboard. We need to edit our site name, okay? It's cwin.fan. Then we need to edit our email. It's cwin.fan. And then in the C description we use history facts, and we can do the same thing right here in the keywords, and we click save. Now we can edit also our username, okay, to be safe. So we'll use say or when. And for the password we can use anything, okay? Something like that. And we are done, okay? See you on the next video. Hello guys and welcome back. So now that we have edited our dashboard, let's take a look to our website. This is our website. As you can see, we have this already made background, okay? And we have no content at all. So in this video we'll try to edit the background and then add some text to our website. So for the background I will just use Google, okay? Then I will pick any background that go with my niche. My website is about history facts, so I will use one of those backgrounds. For example, let's try this one. I will click save image, okay? Then let's name it background and hit the save button. Now I have the image right here. If your image is bigger than 100 okay, kilobyte, okay. Try to reduce it by using the mass, okay. We will use the mass compressor that you have already installed on your laptop. Then we click this. My image isn't that big, but I will just try the software just to explain you how you can do it too, okay. I will paste the folder, okay, the folder directory right here. Then for the size, I won't be changing the size, but the quality I want it to be lower. I will try with 30, okay, and hit compress. Then I will have my reduced, okay, my reduced image right here. As you can see, it has only 23 kilobytes, and this one have like 39, okay, kilobytes. I will try to see if this, okay, it's not that clear, okay, so I will use this one instead, okay, because 39 isn't that big, okay, so I will just use this one. Then we need to go and upload, okay, we need to go and upload our image. For that we need to go to our CPanel, then click File Manager, then we go to Public HTML, then Assets, okay, then CSS. And I need to delete this one and click Confirm. Okay. Then I will click Upload. And then I will just select this one and let's wait. And it's done, okay. Now we close this tab, okay, and if we hit the roller button, we will see our new background. Let's take a look at our website. If I refresh the page, I won't be able to see the changes because my laptop, okay, my computer is having some website caches, okay. So to be able to see the changes, I will need to open the source code, okay. Then I will go to CSS style. I will see this background JPG file. Then I will replace the style CSS with it and hit enter. I will see my previous image. Then I will simply click refresh, and I'm having my new background. Now let's close those tabs. I will just refresh the page, okay. My website still having some caches, so let's try with a private navigation, okay. Using the private navigation, we can see that the modification has already been made, okay. Now it's time to add some content to our website. As I have said before, you need to have some content since you will be having some Google ads on your website. So if you are planning to use 2 ads on your website, try to have some bigger text, okay, some longer text. But if you don't have the way to write yours, you can just copy some facts. You will find them online. In my case, I will just copy some. Yes, copy paste still working till today. For people who said if you copy paste you won't make money, we are making money using only copy paste. Okay. Then I will just copy some of those facts, and then I will, in my dashboard, okay, I will click add new job and click paste. Okay, I will do it here too and click save. Then I will add the other one. Okay, and I will add a third one. Okay, let's use this third fact. No, let's use this one. Okay, add paste, and let's check our website. Now we have some facts right here. If we click show new fact, I will see some content. So that's all for this video. See you on the next one. Hello guys, and welcome back. So in the previous video I have shown you how you can add some content to your website. As you can see right here, we have added some content and some facts to our website. Okay, so now it's time to add the images that will be shown on Facebook when we share our website. I'm talking about this one. Okay, it's in the Open Graph tag. Okay, as you can see. To do that, you need to go to your CPanel. Okay, then click File Manager. Then you need to go to Public HTML. Then Images. As you can see, I have already added some images, and you can notice some text where I'm asking you to use a specific extension and also a specific size. This is recommended by Facebook, and this is the extension that is working with our PHP file that is responsible of changing the following Open Graph. As you can see right here, when I refresh the page, the image changed. Okay, so now we need to create some of the images that will be shared, and I will be using Photoshop for that. This is the width we will be using and the height. Okay, as I have said before, this is recommended by Facebook. Then we click create. I will simply type a date, okay, or a year, because I'm using the niche when. Okay, I will then type 2018, okay, something like this. Okay, let's put it in the center. Then I will just add some stroke to it, and I guess this is enough. Then I will click right here, then export, then save for web. Okay, then I will choose here JPEG. Okay, now let's click save. Then I will just put them in a folder right here. Let's call it images. And let's name it 2018. Now I will be making some more images. And I guess that's enough, okay? I have all my images right here, okay? They aren't big, okay, in the size, so I won't be needing the mass image compressor. But if your images are more than 50 kilobytes, you need to use it, okay? Now I will delete those files, okay? I need to delete everything here. I can do that by clicking select all, okay? Then click delete and skip the trash and permanently delete the files and confirm that. Now I need to click upload. Then I will select the images that I have made, okay? And wait until they finish uploading. And we are done. So if we go back and refresh this page, we will see our images, and we can see that on the source, okay, too. I will reload this page, okay, and then I will notice that it's changing, okay, as you can see right here, the images are changing. So we are done. See you in the next video. Hello guys and welcome back. So now that we have added our images and we already have our contents, okay, it's time to see how our website looks on Facebook, okay. For that we need to go to the debug Facebook, okay. Then we go to the developer and we need to put our website here, 𝐶Win.fun, and we click the debug button. It says that the URL isn't shared on Facebook yet. That's why we need to click fetch a new information. Now let's try to scrap again because I can't see the image. And here the image, as you can see. Now if someone share our website, he will see this exact image for the next month. Let's try it. For example, let's type here. I have made this test post, okay, in my Facebook account. Let's try 𝐶Win.fun. You see, let's try again. 𝐶Win.fun. You see, we will see the same image, and Facebook will keep showing it for the next month, 30 days. So in the next video I will show you how you can fix this problem. Hello and welcome back guys. Well, in the previous video we have seen that we have this issue with Facebook where our images aren't changing. Facebook is only showing one image, as you can see right here. Even that in our end, as you can see right here, the images are changing. So we need to find a solution for that. I have spent almost 3 weeks reading all the Facebook documentation, and finally I found the solution, and I'm here to share it with you. In the next article, okay, you will find this command, okay, that I have developed, and using this command we will be able to fix that issue. Okay, if you read through this Linux command, you will notice that you need to type your website here. Let's do it. Our website is called 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚.fun. okay, and you need to have access token and also Facebook app ID. For that we need to create a Facebook app application. Okay, I will use the Facebook for developers. I will just click here, create an app. I will name it 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚. okay, I'll just put any name there and click create app ID. Then I will just finish the verification. Okay, now we are on the app dashboard. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to click on settings. Okay, then we need to add our website. I will go to privacy policy because I need to copy that link. I will copy it, then I will paste it here. Then I will need to add a link. I will copy this one and click add platform and select website. Then I will paste the website here. Then I will copy this domain and paste it right here. Then I will select any category. Okay, I will choose the entertainment and click save changes. Now the changes are saved. Now we need to click app review. Then we will click, we will make our application public by clicking this button. Confirm. And that's all. Now you need to copy your app ID. Let's copy it right here. I will paste it first here. Okay. And we need to paste it too on the PHP files. For that you need to go back to your CPanel, click File Manager, then go to Public HTML. Then you need to edit the following files. Let's edit the privacy policy by clicking Edit. Now you need to put your ID right here in this line. And click Save. You need to do that to term of use too. Click Edit. and we need to edit this line once again and click Save Changes. Now we can close those tabs. Okay, we need to edit one last file. We go to Application, Views, Templates, and we need to edit the header. We need to edit this line, okay? And click Save Changes. That's all, okay? Now the last part is by clicking. We need to create our access token, okay? For that we need to go back to the debug, okay? The Facebook debug. It's debug Facebook. Put our domain name, okay? And click debug, okay? That's not ours. I'm sorry. Okay, c.fun. Okay. Now we need to go to the bottom and click Scrap via APE. Then you need to select your app right here. Then click Get App Token. This is our app. This is our access token. Okay, we can copy them, and we need to paste them on the command right here. And that's all. Our command is ready, and in the next video I will show you how to use this command to fix our problem with Facebook. See you next. Hello and welcome back, guys. Well, now we have our Linux command, as you can see right here. It's ready for use, but to use it we need to have a Linux VPS, okay? This will help to solve the problem with Facebook where the images aren't changing. I'm using 𝐂𝐫𝐿 because I found them cheaper and also they are fine. You can use many websites on the same VPS, okay? You can create many commands. If you have like 5 websites, you can create 5 commands and run it. I have tried 10 already on one VPS and it's working fine. I don't know how much are the limits, okay, but I have tried 10 and it's working fine. So let's get a VPS. We click. We will use the cheaper one, okay, $3 per month. Let's choose this OpenVZ, okay, VPS, and we select this one, $3 per month. It's really important to make sure that you are using the CentOS as an operating system, okay? Make sure it's CentOS 6 and not something else. Then click Continue. Okay, I have two. I will delete one, sorry. Now click checkout and fill the information. Okay, let me fill the information right here, and I will use this one. Okay, okay, let's choose the phone number and try to use a password right here. And check PayPal. Okay, as I have said before and I'm saying it again, always use PayPal as a payment. Okay, now click complete order. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's try again. Now try to click checkout to avoid the PayPal subscription. Well, it's asking for the subscription. If you don't have your credit card linked with your PayPal, you can't make such payment. Okay, that's why I will just go back. I will go back to home. I will try to click this invoice right here and click pay now. Doing that, I will avoid having the subscription. I will click make payment. Okay, and right here we can click pay now, select PayPal and click the checkout, not the subscribe. Okay, let's log in into our PayPal account. And click pay now. Now click return to the merchant. So now your order is completed. Go back to your Gmail account and you will find an email from servership. You see who your server is ready, that one. Okay, now go back to your servership dashboard and click continue to client area. You will see that you have one service. Let's click it right here. And this is your VPS, okay? Now to log into your VPS you need a software called 𝑃uTTY. Okay, you need a software called 𝑃uTTY. You need to download it. Just go to Google, search for 𝑃uTTY, then download it. Okay, click here. You will have two versions. Okay, if you are using Windows, you will have two versions, and try to download and install the one is working for your computer. Okay, I have it already, so I will just open it right here. Let me delete this one. Okay, you will get the 𝑃uTTY configuration, and now we need to enter our VPS IP. Let's copy the VPS and paste it right here, then click open. After that you need to click yes and try to type root and click enter. Then you need to enter your password. The password is this one. Click here to show it, then double click to select it and click copy. Okay, now go back to your 𝑃uTTY and click right here. You need to paste your password. To do that on 𝑃uTTY you just need to click the right button on your mouse. Now it's pasted, but you cannot see it. Just click enter. And you are in. Now we need to copy the command. Okay, this one. And we need to paste it. Once again, you need to click the right button to paste it. Now just hit enter. And you are done. Okay. Just click close and click OK. Now the command is running, and if you go back here and try to comment, okay, as you can see, it's changing already. Let's try again. You see, it's changing. Now we have fixed the problem with Facebook. So we are already done. Okay, we have our game, we have our Facebook game. Now we just need to promote and share our game with people so they can play it. The more people who play it, the more money you will earn. See you on the next video. Hello again. So the last part of setting up the website will be adding our Google AdSense ads to the website. Okay, I recommend you to have only one ad because you have low content, okay, on your website. So I recommend you to have just one ad in the bottom, but I will show you how you can add even two if you want. Okay, so let's go back to our Google AdSense I have this window from this morning when I started this course. Okay, let's hit refresh and see how much I have earned till today. It was 46. Okay, now it's 62. Okay, so the method is still working till today while recording these courses for you guys. Okay, so to create your ad, go to my ads. By the way, you should have an approved Google Adsense. You cannot use a hosted AdSense account. Your AdSense account needs to be approved so you can be able to create ads and put it on any website. So let's finish our setup. Click on New Ad Unite. Then select Text and Display Ads. Now you can put any name, 𝐂𝐫𝐤𝐴𝐻, okay, and just click Save and Get Code. Now copy this code and go back to your CPanel. Click on File Manager, then go to Public HTML, go to Application, then Views, then Template, and you need to edit those two PHP files, home and joke. Let's start with home. Click Edit. Okay. If you want to put your ad on the top, just change this one. Okay, delete this one and click Paste. If you want to add your code to the bottom, delete this one. Okay, and click Paste. But since I'm willing to just put one ad on this website, I will delete the top ad. Okay, I will just use one. Okay, the one on the bottom. Now click Save Changes. I will do the same thing to the joke PHP file. Edit. Okay. And I will paste it right here on the bottom. If you want to have one on the top, just delete this one and paste your ad right here. Now click Save. And that's all. Now let's close those tabs. So if you refresh this page, okay, it takes like 5 minutes to 10 minutes to show the ads, but I will check the page source to see if there is a place for the ad or not. Okay, so yeah, we have the ad right here, as you can see. It will be shown later. And that's all. That's how we add the ad to our website. So it didn't take even 5 minutes, it's already shown. So yeah, that's how we add our Google AdSense to the website. See you on the next video. Welcome back, guys. So now that we have our website ready and everything is working fine, it's time to promote our website. The best thing about this method is that it goes viral so easily. Okay, you just start by posting on Facebook groups for free, and people start engaging with your post. That's give more exposure to your website, and people start using it as a Facebook game. For that, I will use a photo so I can promote my website. Okay, for example, I will be using this one like that on Photoshop. I will try to use this. Okay, and simply, okay, let me check once again. Okay, now I will click some, I will type something like comment www.𝐶WIN.fun. Okay, something like this. To see when you will get married. Okay, something like this. Okay, let's use the blending option, stroke. Okay, that's too much. Let's make it like that. This one too. Okay, you can, okay, we can make it like this. Okay, okay, something like this. Let's export this one and click promo. So this is our image. There is one simple problem with this image. The thing is that Facebook lately, after using the method for like 3 months, start considering links, repeated links, as a spam. Okay, if people start commenting the same link multiple times, they consider it as spam, even it's not. So to solve this problem, we have came to this solution. You can add something like this, your name. So people who engage with your post will simply add their name, and this will help your website to avoid being considered as spam. Okay, let's make it like that. Okay, you may try with the first one. We are just giving this the secondary option if your website starts being considered as spam. Okay, promo number 2. Okay, now simply, okay, Now simply try to share these on Facebook groups, and you will see how much traffic you will be getting in the next days. For example, if I went to this Facebook and searched for 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚, as you can see, these posts are in Arabic because I live in Morocco, so all the posts will all be Arabic. But if you are from other country, you will see posts with my website in your language. Okay, as you can see, people share my website and help me get a lot of engagement. As you can see, if I check the commenters, you can see right here, or those ones. Sorry, you cannot see it when you are on Facebook because this game is played mostly by mobile users. Okay. Those people are commenting 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚. Okay. Let's try with this link. So, as you can see, people are sharing my website, and that's helping me to earn a lot of traffic. As you can see right here, let me check today earning with dollars. It's $63 today, and 11,000 people visited my website. Can you see how much clicks I'm getting on my website? So this is really the easiest way you can use to earn money with Google Adsense. Okay. In the next article, I will be sharing with you my Facebook page that I used to promote my photos. Okay. The Facebook groups where I have shared my photos, so I can get the first post. Okay. When you go viral, you don't have to share your website anymore with anyone. You just sit and earn. Okay. You may try to create multiple websites and multiple games, and that will help you to earn even more. Okay. So that's all for this video. See you next. Hello guys, this will be our last video in this course. Well, I'm not good at giving motivational speech, and I don't know how to encourage you to start working right now, but please do. Please give 3 hours or 4 hours of your time and start right now to build one of those websites, one of those games. It will only take 3 to 4 hours of your time, and it will only take $20 to buy all the necessary domains and hosting and VPS. Okay, it won't take much money, so just stop being lazy and start working right now. If you are following me on Facebook, you should have noticed some of my posts of my students sharing their earning. As you can see, this one is earning like 55 euros per day to 60 euros per day. This one is 150 per day. This guy just started and he is earning up to 8 euros, which is equal to $10 per day. This one is earning like 36 per day. This one is earning like 42 per day. This one is earning like 15 euros per day. You won't believe how proud I am seeing that my simple method, my simple invention is changing the life of many people around the world. I'm really proud of the people who are trying their best to change their lives, so try your luck too. I'm here to help you if you need anything. Thanks again for buying my course. Please don't forget to leave a positive feedback. I have tried hard to explain everything for you, and I have tried my best to share one of my biggest invention in the online marketing. Okay, thank you again and good luck.